Kajabi has a lot of wonderful solutions for creators. If you are interested, and you'll see here, I've got my dashboard showing here on the left-hand side. And you can see that Kajabi allows you to have courses, coaching. It handles all the video, the recording, the interaction before and after. So that once you record something, then you can send it out, and people that had the one-on-ones, you can even have classes. You can even have um, series of coaching. So you can sell bundles of them, or you can sell whole entire programs where it includes one coaching lesson per week. It's just fantastic for coaching. Courses is exactly the same way. Courses, you can go in, you can define all the chapters, you can define all the lessons, you can post videos into it, files into it. You can walk people through. I use it on my solar channel to promote how to build systems, how to get design programs, how to walk them through designing and building a system from beginning to end. It's fantastic for classes. Community allows you to share with other people the different areas of your community, to talk and to interact. It creates a great community of all your different readers and stuff like that. It's just very nice. And then you can also get into selling podcasts, newsletters, or even digital downloads. If you are selling anything digital, and digital PDFs, digital books, digital of course, if you're doing a newsletter or a podcast and you've got a subscription base there, then they have special implementations for those. But the downloads is very versatile because you can basically attach any kind of file that you want to it. Keeping in mind that Kajabi is a combination of tools here. We're not talking about just a simple little management tool. We're talking about it handles your email list, it handles your sales list, it handles your website, it handles everything. And we'll just continue going through some of these features. But if you have questions about Kajabi, uh, ask them down below. I'll be glad to answer them. And also keep in mind that right now, Kajabi has 3 months to prove what you're doing is actually going to work, and it only costs you $99. It's a great deal because it allows you to get in and show everyone that, hey, before you make that commitment to purchase Kajabi, you can get in there, you can set it up. It's fully unrestricted access to prove what you're doing is actually working. Don't think of it as a discount. Think of it as a shoehorn in to get started with Kajabi right now. Give you 3 months to show you just how much benefit Kajabi can give you, and then you can go forward from that point. All right, it handles your payments. It handles offers. Now, offers is really cool because you can go in and you can configure different offers. You can combine the offers with coupons you see listed down at the bottoms, where if you go to, like I go to the events and I offer different coupons at those events, I can either give them the coupon or I can give them a URL that includes an offer that has a coupon attached to it. So that's pretty cool. It also allows me to categorize all my people and give them tags so that I know where those leads came from. And I can go in, and later we'll discuss how you can go in and create email chains that are completely and totally related around that. All right, let's get into it. Goes in. You can also do you can handle, of course, your technical things of payouts, when it's going to send you money, your cart, how it looks, customize it completely. You can send out invoices and have people pay those, and then get them into whatever products and things they want from there. Affiliates, you can have affiliates promote yours. So if you are doing something that is very popular, that you want other people to have affiliate programs, you can actually have affiliates where they go out, they do the promotion, they bring you the sales, and then you pay them the commission. It manages all of that, manages the payouts for those folks. Now, the website management piece here is very cool. It allows you to go in and use a variety of templates to build your website, to make it super, super simple, where you don't need to know HTML, you don't need to know a whole bunch of family languages. You basically take a couple of block tools, a text tool, a video tool, of this tool, of that tool, you attach whatever you want. And keep in mind also that with Kajabi, everything is combined, everything is integrated. So you don't have to manage clicking and sending people over to your email list here, and you don't have to manage taking them and sending them to the website over here, and HTML over here, and files off an FTP server, and all of that stuff. Everything is all linked into one system, so that all kind of interacts and allows you to build a really robust funneling system. So But the start of that is obviously building your web page. You can put a block on there. You can configure all the navigation. You can even build specialty landing pages to say, I know this person is only interested in this. Send them straight to the landing page. Get rid of all the navigation. Make it very simple to get that sale and not let them get distracted. Under marketing, they have a lot of really cool tools here. So the universal inbox is a beta thing where it basically takes all the combination of all your emails and all your text and your messages from everywhere and combines them into one place. I haven't played with it a whole lot. Seems like a cool idea, just haven't gotten there yet. Email campaigns are fantastic. You can send out emails to certain groups, and with all those tags we talked about earlier, where all your sources can be different, you can send out certain email campaigns to different people. What's really cool about their email campaigns is you can set up series of emails. So for example, someone signs up to get information about widgets. Well, then you can send them an email every week or every other day or every day about widgets and take them through the funnel to get them to that final sale. It is extremely strong. And not only that, but every one of these can be chained together. So they can go from this email funnel to that email funnel, and you can have complicated or very simple integrations to string people from one to another and pull them through those funnels till they get to that point where they're willing to take it to the next step. Funnels is fantastic for that. Funnels are giving away free products. I use them for giving away a free product to get their email, knowing they have an interest in that. For example, I may do something like get a free diagram for a solar system, and they come get the free diagram. Now I know they're interested in building a solar system, so now I can send them email content about different designs and different classes that I have for putting together different solar systems and see if I can get them into one of my classes and upsell them that way. Works fantastically. Automations is wonderful. You can automate practically anything from when they sign up to this, do that, string off this email chain. If they click on this one, start that email chain and discontinue that one. You can go as simple or as complicated as you like. It's extremely helpful. You can also do events. You can do forms. Forms are really helpful for different forms of signing up people to get them to either free this or sign up for that to get into a class or to sign up for whatever you need to collect information for. If the forms will handle that for you and then allow you from there to link into automations or link into funnels to trigger email chains or whatever you need to do, keeping in mind that this is an integrated system and all of these products are included with your Kajabi. You're not going out and buying thousands of dollars of products from 5 or 6 different companies so that you can manually link them together. They're all taken care of. You can manage your contacts, all your insights and assessments of them. This allows you to manage who you're sending emails to, what those lists are, keep them well organized and understand what they are. Email contacts is what we're talking about now. And then insights and assessment. Of course, there's a variety of reports to tell you which pages are being viewed, what funnels they're going through, how many emails were sent out, which ones, how many clicked on it. A lot of information to give you things to react to those things that are good and to stop doing those things that are bad. Anyway, I've spoken enough about Kajabi today. As you can tell, I'm super excited about it. I suggest that you take them up on the offer. If you've got an idea, you've got a thing, and you want to prove it, now's your chance to get in for $99 for 3 months. It'll actually change your life and allow you to use the full power of Kajabi and understand that Kajabi can make your life a whole lot better and create all your websites, sales funnels, emails, and everything all in one place. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.